If you want to change your OneDrive folder location, this video will walk you through the process step by step in a simple and safe way. This is especially helpful if your current drive is running out of space, if you want to move OneDrive to another folder, or if you're setting up a cleaner file structure on your PC. And if this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Windows guides just like this. Let's get into it. First, look at the system tray near the clock and click the OneDrive cloud icon. This opens the OneDrive menu where you can access the main account and sync settings. Once the menu appears, click the gear icon to open the settings options. From there, choose settings. Now you'll be inside the OneDrive settings window. Go to the account section. This is where OneDrive shows the account currently linked to your PC, along with the folder location and sync information. To change the folder location properly, you need to unlink the current setup first. So click Unlink This PC. Windows will ask you to confirm, and this is an important step because it disconnects the current OneDrive folder from your device. Confirm the action so OneDrive is unlinked. Don't worry, this does not delete your cloud files. It only removes the local link on this computer, which allows you to set up OneDrive again in a new location. Next, you need to open OneDrive again. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type OneDrive, and then open the app when it appears in the search results. When OneDrive launches, sign in again using your Microsoft account. Use the same account you were already using, unless you intentionally want to connect a different one. After you sign in, the OneDrive setup screen will appear. This is where the new folder location can be chosen. Look for the Change Location option and click it. This is the key step that lets you move your OneDrive folder to a different drive or a different folder path on your computer. Now browse to the new location you want to use. For example, you might choose a different drive with more free space or a better organized folder location on your PC. Once you've selected the new folder, click Select Folder to confirm it. Then continue with the rest of the OneDrive setup. OneDrive will finish configuring the sync folder in the new location, and from that point forward, your files will sync there instead of the old path. If you were moving it to free up space, this is a great way to keep your storage organized while still using OneDrive normally. A quick tip here. Before changing the location, make sure the new drive or folder is available and has enough space for your synced files. Also, avoid choosing a protected or temporary location that might be deleted later. Picking the right folder now saves you from sync problems later. And that's it. You've successfully changed your OneDrive folder location. It's a simple process once you know where the settings are, and now you can keep your cloud files synced in the location that works best for you. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.